How to change the domain server for your domain. I'm Gianni from Giovanni.com, and in this video I'm gonna cover you how to change your domain server. Once you have registered a domain, is not handed here, you need to change the domain server inside your panel, and in order to make them match your hosting provider, your name of the domain, before they propagate. So in this video I'm gonna cover you how to do that. It's a technical video, very short video, and remember to subscribe to the channel, and let's go to the video.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the name servers for your domains. And name servers are what join together your domain registration and your website hosting account. I'm using GoDaddy for this demonstration because this is where I happen to have this particular domain registered, but the procedures are similar for other domain hosts, and others will just simply do it for you if you send them an email. First thing to do with GoDaddy is to come to the domain manager and click on the link for the domain that you want to manage, and in this particular instance the one I'm using here is anothercompany.co.uk, and at the moment you'll see it's parked here at GoDaddy. What you do, come into the domain manager, click on the domain name, it gets this page here, and then click on the button here that says name servers and select set name servers. When you set up your hosting account, be that with HostGator or any other hosting company, they will send you an email, and in that email they will tell you what the names of the name servers are. And the best thing to do is to simply copy and paste that information from the email into this window here to set the name servers, and that way you'll know you'll get it exactly right. So I'll just do that for the name servers for this particular domain. There's the first one. And there's the second one, and then all I need to do now is click on OK, and there we go, the changes have been submitted, and as it says here, these take up to 2 hours, or it might be a bit longer. And when that's done, I'll go back to my website and it should all be set up. And there we go, you see it's now been changed over, and all I have to do is upload the data to the site via FTP, and I can get this website up and running.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more, if you want to learn step by step how to promote affiliate products, go to johnvianney.com. Remember to subscribe to the channel, you set your name and email in the page, and get the step by step training along with my free ebook about making money online with affiliate marketing.